Here's a tricky question from A-Level Chemistry 2019. Why does squeezing a gas make a reaction go faster? Collision theory says particles must collide to react. More collisions per second means a faster reaction rate. When pressure increases, volume decreases. The same particles are now squashed into a smaller space. They're much closer together. More collisions happen per second, not because particles move faster or have more energy. Temperature is unchanged, so speed stays the same. The answer is D, more frequent collisions. Remember, squeeze the gas, particles get closer, crash more often, reaction speeds up. Subscribe to Ovasaabi for more exam solutions. Visit ovasaabi.com.